Hey, don't go anywhere. If you want to know how I prepare this delicious pasta, please stay tuned and enjoy this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all guys for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. So my amazing people, today is another wonderful, beautiful video. So I want to prepare pasta. This pasta is very simple, delicious and healthy. So I have my spinach here. You can see it. This is my spinach. Then I have carrots. So I just slice it this way. You can slice it anyhow you want it. Then I have sliced onions with a little bit of a scotch bonnet pepper. Then I have my pasta. So guys, I'll be using this pasta. You can see it. This is actually pasta fusilli. You can also call it macaroni or whatever. So I have 1 kilo of pasta here, but I decided to divide it into two. You can see it 1 kg, and this pasta is very easy to done. It's 9 minutes. You can see it right now, 9 minutes to done. Then I have my 3 boiled eggs, then fresh rosemary. I have noce moscata, paprika, and ginger powder. Last but not the least, I have my olio di oliva. So this is a extra virgin di oliva, which is olive oil. So I normally prepare all these things with olive oil. So guys, stay tuned, enjoy this video. In case you are new here, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. In case you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share in your platform. Thank you all guys. You can see it. This is just the ingredient. Very, very easy to make, and the pasta is just 9 minutes to done. 9 minutes guys, 9 minutes. Very, very easy. So they have different kind of pasta. I show you one the other last time. So this one now is just macaroni. I hope many people they know this kind of pasta. This is not spaghetti because they have different type of pasta here in Italy. So this one is macaroni fusilli. So I decided to make this one today. Very, very healthy. This is just the ingredient. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Then I'll come back with the finale and show you how it looks. Okay, thank you all guys for watching. Catch you later. Bye. Okay guys, this is my pasta. This is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful, amazing video. In case you do, please do not hesitate to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and also give it a like. Thank you all guys. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.